Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Optimize Alternative step by step clearly. To log into your Google Optimize Alternative, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL of the service you want to access. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button or link, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your username or email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If your service offers a Remember Me option, check the box if you wish to stay logged in on this device. Once all information is entered, click the Submit or Login button to continue. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard or homepage. In case you forgot your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password, which usually involves checking your email for a reset link. After resetting your password, return to the login page to enter your new credentials. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your mobile device or email. Upon successful entry of your code, you will have access to your account. Now you are ready to explore the features of your Google Optimize Alternative. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.